Howdy guys and gals, Mikey V here with a few pickups, some silver and some pickups for the channel. Picked these up off of Amazon recently. They are coin and jewelry handling gloves. You can find them pretty easily, but Quinn's Coins has a link in all his info for everything he uses, including these gloves. That was the easiest way for me to find it. The other thing I picked up was a couple of silver Ike dollars that are proofs. And as you can see, they're encapsulated, but the capsules are a little bit too large. It's the same with this other one here, which is it's a 1972. So I picked up a 71 and a 72, both proof. But in this box is going to be proper sized silver dollar Loctite containers, and also it's going to be my 2018 Britannia Oriental border and its case. And as you can see, I finally found my unboxing knife. Did a little rearranging in the living room not too long ago, and it was hiding underneath one of the couches. Alright, I suppose before I get to handling the silver that's going to be in there, I should probably put the gloves on. Alright, now we get that off to the side. Actually, a pair of scissors might come in more handy for that. So we use this pair of trauma shears to cut the top open on this. Alright, and we have two airtight holder direct fit that are going to be the proper fit for those silver dollars. And then what I've been waiting for is the usual APMEX information sheet that they include, and the order confirmation. Here's what I was waiting on. Nice wooden display box with a Loctite holder. Okay. Did they forget my coin? Okay. Apparently it's already in a Loctite, which is awesome. Just means I have an extra H39. It included it in the order for picking it up, so I didn't think it came with one. Last time I ordered something from APMEX, there is Britannia Oriental design. That's absolutely gorgeous coin. But last time I ordered something from APMEX, it did not come in a holder already. So we'll have to try to fit this in here real quick. Actually, I'm not sure it was meant to go in there in the holder. The holder doesn't seem to fit But anyway, you get the idea. Nice little wooden display case. Pretty sure it's not going to fit in there like it is. Anyway. And go ahead and wrap it up by tossing the 1971 Silver Proof Ike dollar into its proper container. I would only recommend handling a proof or any kind of bullion coin that is going to have some value. Always want to handle it with coin gloves, because you can better show off and not have to worry about getting anything on it. Oh yeah. There's no slip to that at all. That fits perfectly. Alright, Mikey V, signing out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.